Everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to quickly set up your Truist online banking account from enrolling to customizing alerts. So let's get started. So first, let's enroll in online banking. And to this, head to the Truist online banking enrollment page. And if you don't have an account yet, this is where you will need to create a profile. So you have to click this link here, and this will go to this section. So once enrolled, you will want to customize your account preferences and set up alerts for things like low balances or suspicious activity. These settings will help you stay on top of your finances. Next, download the Truist mobile app, this one, or you can scan the code, and it's available in both Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Just search for Truist and log in using your username and password setup. And now let's add money. You need to make your first deposit. So you can make a deposit through the direct deposit or using the Truist mobile app or transferring funds from another account. And then you need to activate your debit card. Once your account is set up, you can activate it by signing in into online banking or by calling their automated system. And also you can set up bill pay and to manage your and pay bills securely. And if you want to send your receipt money, enroll in the Zelle directly through online bank. And also make sure if you want to avoid this $12 monthly maintenance fee, you need to make $500 more in qualifying deposit and maintaining a ledger balance and other things you can see here. And also you need to secure your account, so make sure you set up customized alerts to stay updated on any activity and use the debit card controls to lock your card if needed. And that's all there is to it. You have successfully set up your Twist online banking account. You can manage your finances securely whether online or with the mobile app.